Milwaukee, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, until midnight. At 8:59 p.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain over the area. Over 2 inches of rain have already fallen. The heavy rainfall was thinning across the area. However, runoff from the earlier excessive rain will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Pawhuska, Canal, Winchester, Groveport, Summit Station, Whitehall, New Albany, Bryce, Port Columbus Airport, and Blacklick Estates. In addition, places along the following streams may be affected: Blacklick Creek, Rocky Fork, and Big Walnut Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Southwestern Fairfield County until 1 a.m. At 9:54 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible, particularly in western Hocking County. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Hocking Hill State Park, Royalton, Amanda, Laurelville, Carroll, Sugar Grove, Carlton, South Bloomingville, Buena Vista in Hocking County, Islesboro, Rockbridge, Clearport, Gibsonville, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159 and Fairfield County Airport. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service